Hi guys, today I'll talk about how to fix or how to solve timeline on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve timeline on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to CapCut. Then this list of app info you will go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget and turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.